Hi, I'm Steph.
And I'm Andreas from Calibrate Studio.
Today we're going to be talking to you about the Rotator cuff series. Now today we're going to go through the first exercise, which is going to be a standing single arm external rotation. So Andreas is going to be my model for today. We're going to put the mini band around both hands. Now this one is a little bit different to some of the others. We're actually going to grab hold of the bands like Andreas is doing right here. So I'm actually going to get him standing side on first to show you what it looks like from the side. His elbows are going to be in close to his body, and we're only going to be working the left side right now. His right arm stays still. It's not doing anything apart from holding and freezing. Okay, so now what he's going to do is keeping his elbows tucked in, like he's trying to squeeze my fingers between his sides. He's not letting me free, and his left arm is just going to pull the band out as far as he can go and holding there. Now stop right there. Because his elbow starts to come off, I'm going to pull him back in a little bit. Stay right there. Glue your elbow to your side. As you can see here, it's starting to fire up through the back side of the cuff, and then going back in, then pulling back out, and pulling back in. I'm going to show you one version from in front. So Andreas is going to face in front, just to show you where this hand stays and where this one pulls out to and comes back into. So Andreas is going to pull out. Same arm, it's going to come all the way out, keeping his elbow in close. Stop right there. So his right arm is freezing right where it is, and he's starting to shake now because this is a hard exercise. As he comes back in, he doesn't go past his elbow. So his elbow stays there, so that's his starting position. Comes back out again. And again, I'm watching for this point here and also his elbow. As he comes back in, back to neutral. We're gonna go one more time. He's keeping a really, really straight face here. He's doing great. And coming back in, and relax. So for this exercise, you wanna go for about, I wanna say 8 to 10 reps to begin with. They are hard. So if it is too hard, you just start a little bit less. Start with about 6 reps, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you slowly build the reps up as you get better at the exercise. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.